everybody, it's Mandy. So today my phone went off and reminded me that it is the day that I need to shred papers and work on my action items. So true to form, I'm going to do that. So I do have a couple of things in my shred bin I'll show you here in just a second, and a couple things I need to take care of as well. So let me show you what all I got going on. All right, so that is my shred bin. Not a whole lot that's accumulated since I cleaned up the area. I will also empty my trash bin and then file some papers. And then up here are my action items. I'm going to go through them to see if there's anything that I can take action on yet, or if there's anything that I need to hold off on. Okay, all of my containers are empty. I did my shredding. I emptied the trash and I filed away all the things that needed to be filed. So we have 3 empty trash cans here ready for the next week. So next week again, I'll be doing this. This literally took me about 7 minutes to do everything. And so that leaves my action items. So I'm going to go through them and see if there's anything that I can accomplish fairly easily today. Okay, so I found 2 things that I can do. We bought a double oven and a gas stove, and we still need to register those, so I'm going to go online and register them because I'm sure you can do that online as well. And then I have Ellie, she got microchipped and I haven't registered her microchip yet, and I need to do that before we start going camping for the season, because in case she runs off or something like that, we'll have it registered. So I need to do that as well. So these are the 2 action items I'm going to take care of today.